Let us discuss software and API testing, QA, interview questions and their answers. What is ad hoc testing? What are its characteristics? Ad hoc testing is an informal way of testing the software. It does not follow the formal process like requirement documents, test plan, test cases, etc. Characteristics of ad hoc testing are: 1. Ad hoc testing is performed after the completion of formal testing on an application. 2. The main aim of ad hoc testing is to break the application without following any process. 3. The testers who are executing the ad hoc testing should have a deep knowledge of a product. Write the differences between preventive and reactive approaches. Preventive approach. It is also known as the verification process. Preventive is the approach to prevent defects. In this approach, tests are designed in its early stages of software development lifecycle before the software has developed. In this approach, testers try to prevent defects in the early stages. It comes under quality analysis. Reactive approach. It is also known as validation process. This approach is to identify defects. In this approach, tests are designed to execute after the software's development. In this approach, we try to find out the defects. It comes under quality control. What is quality assurance? QA stands quality assurance. QA is a set of activities designed to ensure that the developed software meets all the specifications or requirements mentioned in the SRS document. QA follows plan, do, check, act process. Plan. The plan is a phase in quality assurance in which the organization determines the processes which are required to build a high-quality software product. Do is a phase of development and testing the processes. Check. This phase is used for monitoring the processes and verifies whether these processes meet the user requirements or not. Act. The act is a phase for implementing the actions required to improve the processes. What is traceability matrix? Traceability matrix is a document that maps and traces user requirements with test cases. The main aim of requirement traceability matrix is to see that all test cases are covered so that no functionality missed during the software testing. How is monkey testing different from ad hoc testing? Both monkey testing and ad hoc testing follows the informal approach, but in monkey testing, we do not need to have deep knowledge of the software. However, to perform ad hoc testing, testers should have a deep knowledge of the software. What is the quality audit? An audit is defined as on-site verification activity, such as inspection or examination, of a process or quality system. Quality audit is the process of systematic analysis of a quality system carried out by an internal or external quality auditor, or an audit team. Quality audits are performed at predefined time intervals and ensure that the institution has clearly defined internal system monitoring procedures linked to effective action. Audits are an essential management tool to be used for verifying objective evidence of processes. How the build and release differ from one another. Write down the difference between build and release. Build is defined as when the software is given to the testing team by the development team. Release it is defined as when the software is handed over to the users by the tester and developer. What are the different levels in software testing? There are 4 different levels in software testing: 1. Unit/component testing, 2. Integration testing, 3. System testing, 4. Acceptance testing. Unit testing. It is the lowest level in most of the models. Units are the programs or modules in the software. Unit testing is performed by the programmer that tests the modules, and if any bug is found, then it is fixed instantaneously. Integration testing. Integration means the combination of all the modules, and all these modules are tested as a group. Integration testing performs the testing on the data that flows from one module to another module. It basically checks the communication between 2 or more modules but not the functionality of individual modules. System testing. System testing is used to test the complete or integrated system. It tests the software to ensure that it conforms the specified requirements specified in the SRS document. It is the final test and performs both functional and non-functional testing. Acceptance testing. Acceptance testing is performed by the users or customers to check whether it meets their requirements or not. What is a test plan? The test plan document is a document which contains the plan for all the testing activities to deliver a quality product. The test plan document is derived from many activities such as product description, SRS, or use case documents for all future events of the project. The test lead usually prepares it, or test manager, and the focus of the document is to describe what to test, how to test, when to test, who will do what test. Define bug leakage and bug release. Bug leakage is defined as the bug not found by the testing team but found by the end users. Bug release it is defined when the software is released by the tester in the market knowing that bug is present in the release. These types of bugs have low priority and severity. This type of situation arises when customers want the software on time than the delay in getting the software and the cost involved in correcting the bugs. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications for latest videos.